Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the topic micturition. So what is the definition of micturition? Micturition, it is a process by which the urinary bladder empties when it filled with urine. Means the urinary bladder it amplify itself. जब urinary bladder filled होगा urine से तो ये क्या करेगा, अपने आप को खाली करेगा. So that process is known as micturition, and this is also known as micturition reflex. Reflex action you understood in 10th class. So what is the reflex action? A sudden autonomic, or you can say automatic response to a particular stimulus, that is the reflex. So this is under the control of the brain, so it is also known as micturition reflex. Now let's revise the diagram of the excretory system to understand this. So what is it? That is the kidney, and in the kidney this hilum region that is related or attached to the ureter, and then this pyramid structure or the balloon shaped structure, when it is filled with urine then it make the shape of the balloon. So that is the urinary bladder. So this urinary bladder that collect the urine from the ureter, and this ureter collect the blood from kidney. So here it open into a triangular structure, and that triangular structure is trigone. One thing you have to remember, that inside the urinary bladder there are the smooth muscles, and that muscles are known as detrusor muscle, and inside it means the urethra is there, and the urethra have the two sphincter means the two openings. Internal sphincter that is under the control of our autonomic nervous system or the central nervous system, and second that is external sphincter, and this external sphincter that is under our control, or we can say voluntary control. So firstly, for the micturition, for the urine release, signal come from our brain, then from our urge also we go for the micturition. So what happen in this process, let's do or let's understand. So firstly, the urinary bladder filled with urine, because the urine that is formed by the nephron, there are the millions of nephrons in the kidney, different parts. We already done the structure, their function, the regulation of the kidney function. So these are the nephron, and in the nephron there is the formation of the urine, and this urine then finally collected into the collecting duct, and this collecting duct means this collecting duct open into the ureter, and this ureter then collect the urine and passes it into the urinary bladder. So urinary bladder, when it is filled with urine, the muscles in the urinary bladder, the smooth muscles in the urinary bladder that stretch, and due to the stretching of the urinary bladder, the stretch muscles are stretching, and so stretching of the urinary bladder takes place. So the stretch receptors are present in the urinary bladder. Receptors क्या होते हैं? कोई भी सेल, कोई टिश्यू और ऑर्गन जो किसी सिग्नल को कैच करते हैं, तो उसको हम बोलते हैं रिसेप्टर्स. 10th क्लास में हमने पढ़ा ओस्मो रिसेप्टर्स, थिग्मो रिसेप्टर्स, फोटो रिसेप्टर्स कहाँ होंगे? हमारी आइज़ में. ऑस्मो रिसेप्टर हमारे ऑस्मोटिक कंसंट्रेशन को चेक करेंगे, जो हमने किडनी फंक्शन के रेगुलेशन में पढ़ा। तो ऐसे ही ये रिसेप्टर्स होंगे, स्ट्रेच रिसेप्टर्स, जो मैसेज करेंगे किसको, सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम को। सो द मैसेज इज सेंड टू द सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम, and from the central nervous system one motor neuron that send the message to the urinary bladder, and then there will be the contraction of the urinary bladder, and due to the contraction of the urinary bladder this internal sphincter that relax and pressure increase in the urinary bladder due to the contraction, so that the internal sphincter open and urine passes from urinary bladder to the internal sphincter. Then from the internal sphincter it goes to the external sphincter, and then there will be the release of the urine. So this internal sphincter that is under the control of CNS, and that external sphincter that is under our voluntary control. So this process of release of urine from the filled urinary bladder from outside the body or from the body, that is nothing but that is the micturition. So it is a process when the urinary bladder emptify it, or when it is filled with urine. So it is also known as micturition reflex, because it is under the control of our brain. Now means what is the amount of the urine that is released from the kidney. So per day 1 to 1.5 liter urine that is removed from our body, and the pH of urine that is slightly acidic, that is 6, and always or we are removing 25 to 30 gram of urea in 24 hours. Okay, so 25 to 30 grams urea in 24 hours. But if for you can say checking any type of disease, mostly the doctors, they are taking the urine sample. So why? Because by checking the sample of the urine we came to know most of the metabolic disorders. There are some metabolic disorders, and due to improper metabolism some useful substance like the glucose or the other substance, they also removed in the urine, and that is the symptom of the any type of disease. Like if glucose that is released in the urine, that condition is known as glycosuria, means glucose is released in the urine, and if ketone bodies are released then ketonuria, this term is there, and if glucose is released then this disease is diabetes mellitus. I think you heard about this disease. That disease is due to the deficiency of insulin. And what is insulin? Insulin, that is a hormone that is released from pancreas, and this insulin hormone control the metabolism of sugar, means it control or it change glucose into glycogen. But if means this hormone is not in the sufficient amount, then what happen? Then there will be this disease diabetes mellitus, because now glucose that is released in the urine, and this condition is glycosuria, or if the ketone bodies are released then that is ketonuria. So by the checking the urine sample or by taking the urine sample, the doctors came to know most of the disease. So I think you understood the micturition, or what is the micturition reflex and how it is controlled. It is controlled by our brain also, or it is under our control, our voluntary control. So these are the different steps. When it is filled with urine, then the urinary bladder stretch, and then the stretch receptor send the signal to central nervous system, from central nervous system to motor neuron, and these motor neuron cause the contraction of this urinary bladder, then further exert a pressure on the internal sphincter and these open, then finally there will be the passing of the urine outside the body. That is nothing but that is the micturition. Thank you.